These dense jungles in the state of West Bengal offer a perfect hideout for wildlife. It would be hard to spot even the world's largest mammal. We are venturing into the Buxa Tiger Reserve. Along the way, a courtship display, 2 male peacocks fighting over a female. An hour goes by, not a single elephant in sight. We encounter a couple of deer, and even spotted one of the tiniest and most fragile critters, but no trace of elephants. Then suddenly, ferocious roars. It turns out that they are coming from a large elephant herd. Dr. Nachiketha Sharma has been studying acoustic elephant communication for the past 5 years. He has been analyzing elephant calls to find out how they act as warning signals in elephant societies.
Roars are noisy calls. Elephants produce these call types when they are distressed.
After a few minutes, they begin to chirp, expressing a range of emotions.
When an elephant chirps, that elephant is agitated or alarmed or excited. The external stimuli for an elephant to produce these kind of calls are when they are disturbed by humans or any other species, or a presence of male elephants within the group. These calls are generally produced in series, which have segments of 2 to 8.
Elephants also send powerful, low-frequency vocalizations that carry over long distances. They are called rumbles, seismic vibrations that travel through the ground. They're detected by other elephants through feet and trunk. These animals can recognize the voices of hundreds of elephants from up to 2 kilometers away.
Rumbles are very subtle vocalization with low frequency components used when an elephant is separated from the herd. Also, when male and female come together, they produce rumbles to interact with each other. These signals can travel longer distance as well as shorter distance, which helps elephants to coordinate among themselves.
After 20 minutes of chatter, they go silent. The herd now executes a clever plan. They disperse in smaller groups through different access points. This is intended to confuse and distract intruders, especially to protect their babies. The herd will reunite inside the forest. Studies show that this strategy of splitting into smaller groups is often seen in wild elephants. It helps manage the size and structure of the herd as it moves through vast areas. This also reduces competition for space and food. The technical term for this is a fluid fission-fusion society.
Trumpets are high-frequency, loud, and iconic calls. When an elephant trumpets, it means it is very much agitated or angry, telling the intruder to back off.
This herd is communicating through touch. After a gentle push from a wise elder, a young female elephant postures. She seems to be warning the curious babies not to cross the line. Now watch how they touch each other with their trunk. It's called tactile communication. Perhaps they're planning how to deal with us. Here, the matriarch or the aunt is trying to comfort the little one, and the baby responds. This kind of touchy-feely behavior is often seen among females. Bulls have a unique way of communicating. They send out chemical signals. This bull elephant is in his sexual peak. It is the annual must cycle. They secrete must fluid, sending out a potent odor to attract females and deter males.
They also use involuntary communication, such as breaking branches, ear flapping, as well as farting. These signals can travel for short distance and help group members to coordinate among each other.
These insights into the complex language of elephants provide a deep understanding of how elephants communicate and respond, and this knowledge would be immensely valuable in protecting them. Reporting from the forests of West Bengal, I am Sangita Iyer.